Welcome everyone! Today we show you how to install the Sunny Tripower Smart Energy and which things to take special care of in the process. For your own safety, please note the safety information in the manuals of the corresponding products. Before we can start the installation, we need the following tools ready. A Phillips head screwdriver size PH2 and a Phillips head screwdriver size PH1. Due to the weight of the Sunny Tripower Smart Energy of 30 kilograms, the transport as well as the installation is a two-person job. In cooperation with the customer, a choice should be made beforehand which consumers should still be supplied in a backup case. In the box of the Sunny Tripower Smart Energy we can find the following components. The inverter with the protection of the connection terminals. Please note to only take these protection off after the wall mounting of the inverter. The quick start guide with important passwords on its back, 2 screws, positive and negative DC connectors, including ceiling plugs, 2 AC plugs for the connection of backup consumers and the public grid, and pre-assembled 3-meter long battery cables with MC4 plugs. Also, we find a COM plug for the connection of the battery communication and the digital I/Os, a RJ45 protection cap to ensure the protection class IP65 at the Ethernet connection, and lastly a Wi-Fi antenna. First, the inverter is going to be wall mounted. For this, the following material will be needed. 3 suitable screws and 3 suitable washers. Depending on the wall, screw anchors might be needed as well. More information on this can be found in the operating manual. Ensure the recommended minimum clearance to other devices or walls. As soon as the wall bracket has been mounted on the wall, the inverter can be mounted in the wall bracket. The Sunny Tripower Smart Energy is being connected to the wall bracket with 2 locking screws. For this, it is recommended to use a magnetic Phillips head screwdriver PH2. Afterwards, the protection of the connection terminals can be taken off.